Adeshema, our ingredients for today. Yeah, we have our hot water here, sugar, basil, rosemary, honey, and tea bags or tea leaves. Yes, so let's start. We just drop in our tea leaves. Then we drop in our rosemary, simple as ABCD. And here we drop in, okay. Then we add our sugar. It depends the way you want the taste. And here we add in some honey. Okay, gonna leave it for it to get the color. Your color. Rosemary no, any mint no. Even na way no if okay, I'm gonna do this off camera because say no be manage you. Na me say ni hwam no. Hey, you hwam papa. Ubia ne like no scent. Okay, for ladies and gentlemen, now I feel it. Yeah, the base nigum. Say we know so I to find. I to come. Then the orange goes in here. A bit shake. Come on. I'll show you iced tea. I come. Precious family, we are done with our iced tea. See, so inviting, so refreshing. Wash fresh herbs. Nina fi my little garden, and I'm in here with him. Yes, let's enjoy our iced tea. Thanks for watching from Glorious Ahumbrasia Kitchen. Adeshema with Damasi. Thank you, precious family. Thank you for your support and your love. I really appreciate that. Thank you.